Uh, this is Shakil Ahmed. I just want to start a tutorial series on introduction to Excel that will include the basics of Excel and the basic statistical analysis in Excel, how you create your own data or how you can import data from other sources and how to describe your data. And we will also include analyzing manipulating starting from cleaning data and then manipulating and then presenting data graphically and then analyzing data. So these are the things we will learn in this tutorial series. This will be a short tutorial series. So if you are not still subscribed to my channel, then you can do it. So we first start with the simple Excel sheet. This is Excel 2007. Uh, if anyone had installed this one in your PCs or uh, tabs, then you can use this. Otherwise, most widely used one is the Excel 2016. And in my PC, I have Excel 2021. So I will open it to show how it looks like. And these are the uh, left side of a ribbon in Excel 2017, 2007, and this is right side of the ribbon in Excel 2007, and this is left side in 2016, and this is the right side in Excel 2016. But there is just a little difference, like the icon for find and select is different in 2021, and you can just create a blank workbook. And if you want to know about different features in Excel, you can take a tour using this, and you can, if you want to know about formula tutorials, you can use this option, and you can see the other power query related to Excel. Then you can uh, uh, opt here, and you have other different templates for your data analysis you can select. So I'm not going in there, and this is just an Excel uh, sheet that is called a workbook, you can say. And we can different add different Excel sheet using this sign plus. So before starting to data analysis, we need to add in the data analysis tool pack for in your Excel if you have already not added. For example, you can go on home and then you can just opt the more and then options. You will see a new window. Uh, in this window, you can see the add-ins option here, and you can see different tool packs for analyzing your data for solving different problems. And then go to this, and I have already added all these tool packs. So if you have not added, you can just click on all these and then okay. So you will show now you have added your tool pack that will be used for statistical data analysis, and you can just see just on this option data, and you will see the data analysis and solver tools here. And if you click on this, you can see different statistical uh, methods, statistical tools here, starting from single factor, then two factor ANOVA, different type of statistical inferential tools. And in Excel solver, you can solve different mathematical problems like optimization. So this is the adding tools in Windows, and if you are a user of Microsoft uh, Mac users, then you can need to go for developers option, and then you go to the files and then option and then add-ins. Go to developer and then Excel add-ins. You will find this list and you can again OK. Click on OK and you will get all these tool packs in your Mac Excel sheet. Now we have a basic Excel sheet. It consists of different rows and columns. Columns are represented by different letters, and rows are denoted by different numbers. So if you click on this, the label will be shown that is B2. B2 means bth column and second row. And if I come here, this is C2 means cth column and second row. So this in this way you can just uh, label basically simple labeling of your different cells and set of cells. For example, if I select these, so these are basically b d22 or d9, and you can see in label 8 rows and 1 column I have chosen. So this is just about simple things about Excel sheet. And now we have three things. Just the one is label and the value and the formula. For example, if I just enter a value, this is a value. I am just entering in this cell. And what you can see in the left, in this box in left, that is name box. So it is the label of this cell basically. If you are selecting a column, then this will be a label of the whole column. So this is, for example, I am just naming this cell as mean. This is the mean of, for example, one column or one row. Then you can just enter. Now this row is labeled as mean. And if you want to apply some formula, then you need to start with is equal to, and you can enter your formula here. For example, uh, you can just do a sum of 1, 2, and 3. I am just summing three numbers. So the formula will be shown in this box. This box is for formula. And you can just enter here. You will see the sum of 1, 2, 3 is 6. So this is formula, this is number, and this is the level. These are the three different objects in Excel. And then data entry, you can enter numbers as I said, and you can use formula accordingly. And you can set the uh, type of different variables or different columns. For example, if I am entering uh, this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the IDs, for example, then I have to set the format of the cell. What did this thing? This is a general format that have no specific number format. Uh, by default, it will be a general. Then you can choose a number, right? It is a negative number or a positive number, or it is how many decimals you can set. For example, I'm setting 2 decimal. It means it will show in this like this. If I increase the number of decimal, it will change accordingly. And if you want to change in terms of percentage, this will automatically multiply by 100 and it will be shown in uh, percentage form. And you can write in fraction form, like in different type of fractions, and you can write in terms of scientific notations, in terms of exponentiation. And if these are text, for example, your ID, your name, then you can set as text and so on. But you need to specify this whenever you are entering data in a column or in a row. So, and the next thing is the autofill. Autofill means you are, if you are, you want to copy certain number, certain cell number given in a certain cell to the other cells or in other columns, then you do just click and drag. For example, I want to just copy 3 in 10 other 10 more cells. So just I need to uh, bring cursor here, and this will now the plus will be dark, and you just click and then drag. And for example, I just want to replicate 3, for example, 15 times. So how many threes are here? You can check. There are 16 threes, and the average is 3 and the sum is 48. You can see here. The count is 16 and sum is 48 and average is 3. So this is fill and drag method. And if you are applying certain formula, for example, I am just applying this formula. So when I drag this, the formula will be applied to other numbers, other cells as well. So this is autofill option, and you can do it by row as well. So this is the option of autofill. And here are some basic shortcut keys which you need to know while working in Excel. For example, Control C is just copying things, cells, columns, or a combination of columns and rows. For example, I am just copying these two things, then I will do Control plus C. It will automatically copy these things, and then I just want to paste here, then I will do Control plus V. So I'm just pasting here. And similarly, if I just want to remove these two numbers from here, and I want to uh, uh, paste some other places, then I will just do Control plus X. That will cut these two numbers and will paste, and again Control V. So I'm just doing this here. So while copying and pasting, you can just do this, use these shortcuts. For example, Control C, just copy, and Control V to paste the copied thing, and Control X means to cut the content, and Control Z means if you have make some changes, or you have done some action and then you want to revert back, then you need to do with Control Z. For example, I have just moved these two numbers here. I just want to return these, then I will do Control plus Z. So this is again going back. And similarly, you can redo the last action that was undo, that is Control plus Y. For example, you have or done something and you want to revert back, you can do it also using Control plus Y. And Control plus A means you are selecting all the things on a sheet, are in SL as well. For example, I just want to select all the things on this sheet. Then I will do Control plus A. It will select all the things available in this sheet, and you can paste to some other sheet. So uh, similarly, you can use Control F to open or find something. You can, if you want to search something on in your Excel sheet, then you can use Control F option. And you want to open a new workbook, you can do Control O. And if you want to uh, open a new data tab, you can just do a Alt and A. For example, Alt and A. So you have created now a second sheet. And similarly, you can select a column, hide a column with Control 9, and you can hide a row by Control 9, and hide a column by Control 0. And you can directly find the sum of range of cells or sum of columns by Alt plus is equal to. And you can sort the data using Control plus Shift plus L. You can need to press these three keys at the same time to sort the data in a table. For example, uh, I just want to make a table of these three, then I will do Control Alt and L. Sorry, it's not working. I think there is missing data, but you can do. If you can't, you can select and go to the option and then insert table, uh, insert and then table option. So now you get this table. So these are the basic things. In next video, I will show how we can edit an existing data and rename variables and how to do basic, how to apply basic functions in Excel. Thank you.